First, it all starts with a nice little bit of rum from Mr. Tom's Spirits, homemade Fort Myers. Got to bring our drink over. We're doing today artichoke and crab dip. Very easy to make, good for many people. Everybody enjoys it. Very simple, good for summer, winter, any season. First, we get quartered artichoke. Chop it up, put it in a little pan, oven-safe pan. Chop it right up in there.
You get the quartered artichoke, right?
Quartered artichoke, easier to chop up. So we get those ready to go. Then we get some crab meat, slice that right up. Let's pour the crab meat right in as well. Put that right. Get that spread out. Of course, the next best thing, mayo. Without mayo, no other way to go.
Doesn't make sense.
Doesn't make sense at all.
Drop it, Eddie. Drop it, Eddie.
Like
Drop
it's
it,
hot.
Eddie.
Enough for cholesterol, a little coronary, anything. We gotta
Get your
get,
arteries up. Get your arteries creased.
gotta get enough in there to make it nice, juicy, and coated.
Wow,
Get that in.
Looks good, dude. That looks so creamy. So what right now you got quartered artichokes.
Quartered
You got
artichokes.
crab meat,
Yep.
and you got mayo.
Some mayo.
That's it.
So far, that is
All right,
it.
just make sure I'm on the right page.
Next, we get a little bit of cream cheese.
No, you did not. It's
Oh,
illegal.
yeah. Thicken it up a little. Get some cream cheese in there. We're gonna get a little bit of seasoned salt that I know we have up here somewhere.
Oh, it's fucking Tejano? Oh, yeah!
A little bit of seasoning
Oh,
in there.
you did not.
Get something in there.
Eddie, you're
to
not
go.
doing this, man. This is
We're
so
doing
wrong.
this. We're doing this. Just enough. Just enough to coat. Once we got this in, put the cream cheese in there.
Dude, that's starting to look
Next,
right.
gotta get some mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella cheese all up in there. Nice
Dude.
layer of mozzarella on top.
Oh, that looks good. Guys, we're in for a treat tonight. Eddie's taking over.
Parmesan cheese.
You're not going X Factor.
Enough to coat. Get
All right, watch
all
this, watch this. So, he's got the quartered artichokes, the crabs, the mayo. He's got the mozzarella. You got the Parmesan. He's making a crab dip. Guys, this is like, you gotta come in warm and shit. These girls like to come in warm. You don't, this cold shit doesn't go anywhere anymore. He's gonna warm it up, make it right.
It looks thick, looks a little off right now, but once it all melts in the oven,
Oh, it's melty.
once we got all this in, what comes next? A little crispy onion.
You're not going there.
Oh,
See, this is the difference between Eddie
little
and
crispy
the
onion
average
on top.
Joe.
Oh, right
Look,
there.
he coated it on a bed of onions.
Give it a little extra flavor. This is how it all begins, buddy. Preheat the oven, 375. Pop this in there,
Oh, he's dropping it.
and it's dropped.
So Eddie, how long? Just an FYI in case we forget.
Once the top browns, so usually about a good 15 minutes. Then it's set to go.
You guys are now in Eddie's world. Twin forces.
C'est comme ça, ma chérie, la 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 la. Francia, Colombia, me gusta. Freeze. J Balvin, Willy William, te gusta. Freeze. Los DJ no mienten, le gusta mi gente y eso se fue.